Welcome to MarketingBlocks AI, your new best friend in the world of marketing. Imagine having a powerful tool that helps you turn your ideas into reality with just a few clicks. That's exactly what we offer. Whether you need to build a stunning website, manage your social media accounts, create engaging videos, or write amazing content, MarketingBlocks AI can do it all for you. Best part? You don't need any technical skills to get started. With our software, you can elevate your brand's presence like never before. We provide automated workflows that save you time and energy. Our smart widgets make it easy to customize everything to fit your style and needs. Plus, we have a comprehensive design toolkit that allows you to create eye-catching visuals effortlessly. This means more attention from potential customers and more sales for your business. MarketingBlocks AI is truly an all-in-one solution that helps turn your creativity into conversions. If you're looking for a way to thrive in the digital age, don't miss out on this must-have tool. For more details about MarketingBlocks, please check out the link in the description below. So, let's take a look on what this product is all about.
Welcome to MarketingBlocks. In this short video, I will show you how you can build, market, and sell any product or service online using MarketingBlocks. This multi-purpose, full-stack marketing software combines multiple cutting-edge tech and world-class marketing tools inside one easy-to-use dashboard, giving you unprecedented marketing power to build, market, and sell anything online. Let's explore the arsenal of tools MarketingBlocks puts at your fingertips. First up is AI Pages by MarketingBlocks. And with this, you just enter a simple prompt like this, and AI creates a website for you like this in 60 seconds. You can also choose the type of page you want, answer a few questions about your business, and boom, watch as AI creates a beautiful landing page for you. After that, you can edit anything using the inbuilt page editor that comes with Pro Design sections. Connect to your autoresponder or use our inbuilt marketing automation tool to build your list fast. Your brand new site comes with free fast Amazon hosting, or you can export it and host it yourself. You can even import and redesign any existing landing page in seconds. Enjoy cutting-edge features like a drag-and-drop form builder, search engine optimization, countdown timers for urgency, section decorations, image masking, and many more to engage your audience like never before and turn them into leads and clients. No writing, designing, or coding required. Next up is AI Videos by MarketingBlocks. And with this, you can create engaging and attention-grabbing promo videos in 60 seconds with original content written specifically for your business. Enter any keyword or topic and let AI write the script, create the storyboard, transitions, voiceovers, and combine everything to create professional promo videos for your business in minutes. With the editor, you can effortlessly add, edit, and delete scenes to create the perfect promo videos for your business. Use your own media or choose from our library of millions of royalty-free stock videos and images, or generate with AI. Add background music and render either as a rectangle, square, or story-style professional videos to engage your audience and turn them into high-paying customers. Next is the Social Sparks by MarketingBlocks. And with this, you can create and schedule 3 months of unique social content across Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn to grow your audience in less than 5 minutes. Answer a few questions about your niche and audience, and watch as AI generates 100 social media content items for you in just minutes. Unleash automated AI that creates viral content for you, posts for you, and responds to comments and DMs for you. Next is the Social Sparks by MarketingBlocks. And with this, you can create and schedule 3 months of unique social content across Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn to grow your audience in less than 5 minutes. Then there's the AI Presenters by MarketingBlocks. And this generate spokespersons and talking videos in just 2 minutes. Step 1, you just choose a spokesperson, and you can use any of our HD spokespersons or ask AI to generate a person for you, upload your own picture, or even clone a digital version of yourself. Step 2, you choose a background. And Step 3, you upload your voiceover or ask AI to generate a script and voiceover for you. Click on Generate to instantly create professional spokesperson videos for your reels, training, and product videos. No need for a camera, studio, or green screen.
Dubai is a city of contrasts, where tradition and modernity meet to create a unique and dynamic culture. The city has a rich history that dates back centuries, but it's also a hub for cutting-edge technology and innovation. Dubai is home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks, from the towering Burj Khalifa to the man-made Palm Jumeirah Island.
Next is AI Voices by MarketingBlocks, and this allows you to create real human-like voiceovers in just seconds. Here's how it works. The AI will write a script to sell your services. You easily edit or let the AI write the script. Then you choose one of the professional voices and convert your script to a real human voiceover using the most natural sounding text-to-speech technology powered by 11 Labs. And finally, say goodbye to hiring expensive voice actors and lengthy recording sessions.
Reward yourself for small achievements. Celebrate those mini milestones. Finally, remember your why. Keep your goals in sight and remind yourself why you're doing what you do.
You can mass produce voiceovers in different voices, intonations, and languages just from one audio file using the AI Voice Changer tool. Upload a 3 to 5 minute sample of your voice and train AI to speak like you, making your content stand out and resonate with your audience. Then use the transcriber tool to turn your videos, podcasts, recordings, and meetings into text so you can summarize or repurpose as needed. Boost authority with professional logos that's created in 60 seconds, customize with the inbuilt editor, export, and use on your marketing collaterals, social media, and merchandise. And wow your customers and make a perfect first impression with professional business cards created by the AI Business Card Designer. Next is the AI Designs by MarketingBlocks. And here you just enter a prompt or your business description and let AI create designs and bulk banners in seconds. Easily edit the designs using the inbuilt drag and drop design editor, and there's no writing or design skills required. Next is the AI Images by MarketingBlocks. And with the Art Blocks tool, you can turn any text into arts with different types of art styles to choose from. Turn any sketch into art, fine-tune any image or use generative fill to expand any image. Remove and replace the background from your product images in one click. Swap faces on any photo using AI and erase unwanted objects or watermarks from any image. Next is the AI Avatars by MarketingBlocks, and this allows you to make amazing AI pictures easily on your laptop or phone. And then there's the AI Writer by MarketingBlocks. This allows you to write anything using AI, from ads to blog posts, books, lead magnets, case studies, marketing strategies, sales copy, business plans, and even commercials. Choose from over 200 custom prompt templates to get professional results on your first draft, or create your own templates for an easy workflow. You can also optimize your content generation with Agent GPT workflows. For example, you can turn a simple keyword into a 40,000 word book, or effortlessly create other content types, saving you precious time and resources like never before. Then there are the AI bots by MarketingBlocks. This allows you to set up AI employees trained on your business data to help you with customer support, appointment booking, and employee training. Train bots using text, CSV, PDF, video transcripts, and website URLs as a data source. Configure your chatbot settings like privacy, visibility, lead capture, and design. By letting the AI handle all the undesirable tasks, you will not only slash your operational costs by up to 70%, but use that newly freed up budget to help take the business to new heights. Total AI automation means you work less in your business while making more revenue. No breaks and no days off for the AI. Share a direct link to your chatbot or embed on your website or connect to WhatsApp or Telegram to provide round-the-clock customer support, appointment booking, staff onboarding, and employee training. Then there's the course and memberships by MarketingBlocks. This allows you to create, sell, and deliver life-changing courses, mentorships, challenges, coaching programs, product tutorials, quizzes, and more. This gives you everything you need to quickly transform your knowledge and passion into a profitable business. You can set up free, paid, or recurring subscriptions and membership plans. Secure your courses under the paid subscriptions and track learner progress with assessments, quizzes, and engagement monitoring. Next is the products and checkouts by MarketingBlocks. And this is a simple yet powerful product and checkout processing system that allows you to generate secure checkout and buy links to sell physical or digital products like software, online courses, ebooks, membership sites, coaching, consulting, or services and get paid. This includes profit-boosting features like upsells, funnels, one-click order bumps, coupons, a full automation suite, and more with zero transaction fees. Next up is the automation and contacts. And here you can collect, organize, and manage leads from multiple sources, projects, and campaigns into one all-inclusive dashboard, which is the Contact Manager. With the MarketingBlocks AI automation module, you can supercharge your marketing campaigns by automating tasks at scale. Automate lead generation, lead magnet delivery, setup progress, and assessment-based access delivery automation, and much more. The automation suite lets you put the entire MarketingBlocks system to work on autopilot, boosting your business growth. And finally, there's the Conversion Suite by MarketingBlocks. This includes a suite of tools to create and display intelligent on-site engagement widgets to drive more leads and sales by engaging the right visitors at the right time. With the flexible widget builder, you can add text, image, video, and buttons with different actions. You can create multiple step widgets. You can add customizable forms to build your email list or collect any type of data and pass it on to marketing automation apps. You can even create urgency and scarcity for your offers with countdown timers inside your call to action. Set up intelligent triggers for when you want the widget to show, how often, target specific pages, and target certain visitors. You can create conversion widgets for your MarketingBlocks pages or your existing pages built on any page builder. And putting it all together, meet ChatBlocks, the ultimate AI marketing chat assistant. Chat with AI to create all your marketing assets with ease and speed like never before. Just say hi and input your commands or use any of our 200 plus prompt templates. ChatBlocks is a multimodal chatbot that accepts and understands text, images, and voice input for seamless communication and collaboration. Easily store and reference essential brand information with info tags. It's powered by GPT-4 and over 50 other AI models and proprietary tech. Choose from over 100 plus personalities or create your own to help you generate unparalleled marketing content that stands out and captivates your audience to bring you more traffic, leads, and sales. And there you have it. MarketingBlocks is simply the fastest and easiest way to create marketing assets without shelling out big bucks on multiple marketing apps or expensive freelancers. Right now, there is no software in the world that does all that MarketingBlocks can do at any price. It's true. You'll also get top-notch, round-the-clock customer assistance, a thriving community to learn and connect with every day, weekly training, weekly question and answer sessions, and the free one-on-one calls with the team if you need help. Put AI to work in your business today with MarketingBlocks.